In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Suno AI account step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Suno AI website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, click on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Next, go to the Settings or Account section. Scroll down until you find the option called Delete Account or Close Account. Click on Delete Account to begin the process. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to confirm the account deletion. Make sure to review the information before confirming, since deleting your account is usually permanent. After confirming, your Suno AI account will be removed.